Like always, we're going to start off with the song structure, so we've got a better idea of the different guitar parts we need to learn for this song. This song starts with an intro, then goes into a verse, then a pre-chorus, then a chorus, and then we've got another verse, but it's only half the length this time. Then we've got another pre-chorus, and another chorus, then a bridge, then another pre-chorus, but again, this one's only half the length, and then two more choruses, and then an outro. Make sure to check out the description below to follow along with this video on my website, where I've also got lyrics with chords on top of them, and other cool stuff covered in this video. So tune up your guitar, put your capo on your 5th fret, and we're ready to go. So our chords for this progression are the same chords we're going to use for the entire song. We're going to go from a C to an F to an A minor and then back to an F. Now the one thing that's different from the chords we're going to use this one from usual is our F. Since we're so high up with the capo, we don't really want to hit this string because it's kind of awkwardly high. So I'll make the F chord even easier for you. Instead of typically like this, where you've got to bar both of these, you can just be lazy with this first finger and only play the second string. So the second string will play out, and the first string is just going to be muted. And then the thing I'm going to change to make this a little fuller, instead of my 3rd finger on the 4th string, I'm going to bring it up to the 5th string, and then put my pinky where the 3rd finger was. So now relative to the capo, we're going to have the 3rd fret on the 4th and 5th strings, the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then the 1st fret on the 2nd string. And that's going to be your whole chord, with that muted 1st string. Now moving into the strumming pattern, all we're going to do is play single beats for all the chords and play each chord 4 times before switching. It's really simple in this, and the one thing you're also going to want to do is play it softly, because in the actual song it's pretty soft here, and it doesn't pick up until the chorus. And then switch. Then switch again. And then back. So counting along, that's going to be like this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really simple and easy for the intro and the outro. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up or a comment in the comment section down below. Your feedback is what gives me the motivation to keep making new videos. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you get all my latest content straight on your YouTube homepage. Now for the verse, we're going to keep things pretty much the same here. Still playing softly, still your same chord progression of C, F, A minor, and then F. The only thing I'm going to change here is I'm going to add an up strum on the and of the fourth beat. So starting on the C, the strumming pattern is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Then switch to the next chord. The up strum is the only thing that's different from the intro to the verse here. Now I'll count along with this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now the pre-chorus is still pretty simple. We're still going to play softly because the song still hasn't picked up yet. We're still going to have the exact same chord progression. C, F, A minor, F. And here, all we're going to do is palm muted half beats. Now if you don't already know how to palm mute, I've already made a video for that, so I'm not going to go through it again here, but you can check the link up here or down in the description below and learn how to palm mute. So instead of playing just on the beat, we're going to play it on the half beats. So just twice as fast, basically. Now counting along, that looks like this. 3, 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So for this section, we're going to stay with the exact same chord progression. It's the same chords throughout the entire song, which makes it nice and easy. So we've gotten a little faster each section. The verse was slow, and then the pre-chorus was slightly faster, and now we're going to double our speed again for the chorus and the bridge. So I'm going to play 4 strums on each beat, and it's going to be alternating down, up, down, up. So if we grab the C chord to try this out, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to switch to the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then continue with the rest of the chord progression. So you're going to play 4 times in each beat. Now, one other thing to note, just to add for emphasis, is on the actual downbeat itself, so the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, you're going to strum that slightly harder than you're strumming the rest of them. This will just give it a little bit of emphasis to make it a little more interesting. So just to show you, I'm going to do it a little stronger than I might do in the actual song, but this will give you the idea. So it's going to be like this. And of course, you wouldn't actually make it that different. It'd just be slightly emphasized, but I was just doing that a little stronger than normal just to show you. Now count along with this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with that, we've been through every part. If you can play all of these parts, you can play the entire song. All right, here's a quick recap of the guitar parts in case you want a refresher. If not, you can skip ahead to the play along. If you like my videos and you're ready to take your guitar playing to the next level, check out fastfingersacademy.com/courses. That's where I put all my best content that I don't put on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a quick thumbs up or a comment in the comment section down below. Your feedback is what keeps me motivated to keep making new content. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button to get access to all my latest content straight when I make it. If you want me to make a tutorial for a specific song, make sure to put a suggestion in the comments section below. Now, I try my best, but I get a lot of comments, so I don't always see all of them. So starting now, I'm adding a new way to vote for songs in different videos you want me to make. Head on over to fastfingersacademy.com/vote, where you can vote for the top songs and videos you want to see. Each week, I'll take a look at the ones that got the highest number of votes and make those. I hope you learned something in this video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get access to all my latest content straight when I make it, and then click here or here and launch your next guitar adventure.